McRent, my honest review and user experience. Is this the best rental service? If you've ever dreamed of exploring Europe or the UK by motorhome, McRent is probably on your radar. It's one of the largest rental companies in Europe, but is it really the best? Here's my honest review, after renting with McRent for a 2-week road trip through Germany and Austria. Most people expect rentals to be complicated and pricey, but the surprising truth is that McRent makes the process easy and transparent. Booking online was straightforward, and the pickup experience was professional. The staff walked me through every detail of the vehicle before handing over the keys. The roof itself was spotless, modern, and well-equipped with a full kitchen, shower, and solar panels. Driving comfort was excellent, and fuel efficiency was better than I expected for its size. Insurance and mileage options were clearly explained, though you should read the fine print. Windshield and tire damage aren't always covered under basic protection. What really impressed me was customer service. When I had a small issue with the heating system, McRent responded within an hour and directed me to a nearby service partner completely hassle-free. Prices vary by season, but compared to other European rental companies, McRent offers solid value for money. In the end, McRent delivers a professional, reliable, and enjoyable travel experience. Whether you're a first-time camper or an experienced traveller, their fleet quality and support make them one of the top choices for rentals in Europe.